First wave, Metaverse Classroom, study never absent. In the current severe period of the epidemic, if everyone returns to the campus to study together in a narrow and closed classroom, both parents and students are concerned that they will be infected with the new crown pneumonia since the air is not well circulated. Many schools and academies had to temporarily cease classes in order to curb the spread of COVID-19. Students' participation and activity in learning are reduced when they stay at home for an extended period of time. In terms of mental health, it causes individuals to become more agitated, anxious, and lonely. The most effective tool for resuscitation and continued education is the provision of distance learning and education. This part of the void was simply filled by the Metaverse Classroom. Students can participate in a real-time online interactive classroom that includes voice and video education as well as an immersive experience. The Metaverse Classroom inherits all of the metaverse features, including the ability to shrink and expand its space at will. The Metaverse Classroom can be scaled down to one-on-one teaching, a small classroom of 10 individuals, or a huge lecture hall of hundreds of people. Many students, as well as teachers or lecturers, might be in the same space to learn and interact. Metaverse classrooms have the advantage of having an abundance of excellent professors and lecturers. These lecturers can work part-time in other schools or colleges, addressing the school's long-standing shortage of main subject lecturers. School education does not have to be limited to a specific geographic location. It can be expanded to other countries in order to attract more pupils. At the same time, students can select their preferred colleges and departments. Most crucially, the Metaverse Classroom will keep track of the teacher's or lecturer's entire teaching session. Whether a student is slow to learn or has been absent, they can replay these courses and, with the help of AI assistant, improve their mastery of the courses and catch up on their learning progress.